Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Robert. Happy birthday to you and many more.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Look what we got here.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like it.
Here, Robert, we got you a keto cupcake for your birthday.
Oh, nice.
A little candle in there for you to blow out.
Hey, this is great, man. I appreciate it.
course.
However, I did recently make the commitment to carnivore, so I'm going like strict carnivore right now, and not even allowing myself any keto treats. So, really appreciate the gesture, but I'm gonna let Sophia eat this one, okay?
I had a feeling you were strict carnivore, so I brought these for you.
Eggs, nice. This is definitely carnivore. I appreciate that. You definitely know me. However, I've been eating like 3,000 eggs a week, so I'm kind of egged out. I'm gonna decline if you don't mind. Eat these for me, Greg. I'm sure they're nutritious. We'll just skip the treats. I don't need anything fancy. It's all good. Whoa, what do we got cooking here?
Oh, look at that.
Light it up. Birthday!
What is this?
This is our newest creation, the Carnivore Cake Pop, totally in line with your carnivore lifestyle.
This is actually our lowest carb brick with 3 total grams.
And it's got a whole new look.
Nice.
Dude, it's our highest protein brick ever, 45 grams total.
And it's our first ever grass-fed tallow brick.
And check out the ingredients in this one. Grass-fed beef tallow, total carnivore protein blend, including beef protein isolate, beef tallow, hydrolyzed beef collagen, desiccated beef organ blend, which includes kidney powder, liver powder, heart powder, pancreas powder, spleen powder, bone powder, marrow powder, natural flavors, salt, and stevia leaf extract, and no known allergens.
Yeah, but what does it taste like?
Cake.